Today, we're taking a look at this dash cam by REDTIGER. This is a unique camera. It faces a couple different directions. So it's gonna be your dash cam. It's gonna take a picture of all the video in front of you. So if you're ever in a situation where you're in a crash or something, you're gonna catch it on video. Also, it's a backup camera. So same thing that it's doing in front of you, it's gonna do behind you as well. So anytime you're reversing or even whenever you're going in traffic, same situation. If someone was to rear end you, you'll also have it on camera because this is a multi-facing camera, forward and backwards. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this up, take a look inside and see what all we got in here. Actual camera here. This is gonna be your front facing camera. And then of course it's gonna have the feed right here. This is gonna be your LED screen plus your live feed that's going on. This right here is gonna be your charge. This is the charge port for your cigarette lighters. So you're gonna mount this in your rear windshield, plug a cigarette, plug this in, plug it in your cigarette lighter, give it 12 volts of power. And this right here is your backup camera. So we'll hook this up to the back of my vehicle. That way I'm getting a continuous feed from the back there. So you really got all facets here. Got security footage up front, security footage in the back. Everything's really cool with this REDTIGER. But that's enough talking about it. Let's go get this thing set up and see what it looks like. The REDTIGER dash cam has a front-facing 4K camera and a rear-facing 1080p camera. Plus, it has absolutely superior night vision. That way, no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, you will always be under surveillance, whether it's day or night. And of course, 4K in the front, 1080p in the back. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so got the dash cam all set up. I have to say I am very impressed with it. So here's the dash cam right here. As you can see, you get the clear view behind you, very clear, and then you get the continuous view in front of you as well. What I really like about it is you're getting both of them at the same time. I do got to run some cable management, get all these cables right away, but I love the GPS capability. Once I get these cables run correctly, it's going to look very good where it's at right there. These cables, I'm going to have them tuck into my headliner here, and you will never even see those cables. So yeah, super easy to set up, looks really good. It's continuously recording, see that? Yep, that's continuously recording everything right now. So this thing really does everything it says it's meant to do. You got the backup camera, you get the forward camera. I feel really safe using the REDTIGER because I know no matter what happens, I'm on the road, it's gonna be captured, there's gonna be evidence, and that's gonna protect you, protect your vehicle, protect your family. So the REDTIGER, absolutely great dash cam. I'm excited to get all these wires ran and start this thing out.